Hey guys, it's Kristen and I would like to sing Philosophy by Taylor Swift. We were both young when I first started. I closed my eyes and the flashback stopped and staring down. All about the kneeling time. See the light, see the party, the ball gown. We will make the way through the crowd and say hello. A little different. That you earlier, you were throwing pebbles. My daddy said, stay away from Juliet. You were trying on my faces, begging me, please don't go. And I said, Romeo said, will we go alone? I'll be waiting. All this I have to do is run. You'll be the prince, and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just a second. I see girls to the garden to see you. We keep quiet 'cause the dead is new. Close your eyes. As we sit here for a while, cause you're all my letter. My daddy said, stay away from Juliet. And whoever thinks to me, I would say, let me please don't go. And I said, Romeo, baby, whenever you hear, I'll be waiting. All the rest of you is wrong. You'll be the prince, yeah, and I'll be the princess. There's a love story, Romeo, baby, whenever we have a kiss, we'll try to take the part, but it's real, wondering if you remember my face anywhere every day. When I met you in September, and I said, Romeo, save me. I've been feeling so alone. I'll keep waiting for you, but you never come. This in my head, I don't know what to think now. Silver and gold, I ring and say, my name's Juliet. You never have to leave. Now I love you.